Somewhere in the back roads of Texas, time stood still. Hidden beneath years of overgrown brush and settled dust lies a giant that once ruled the road. Steel fins that once soared toward the sky. Chrome that once gleamed like silver. A rose metallic finish that once turned every head it passed. But time shows no mercy. Rust has crept across its body. Its tires sit flat, sunken into the red earth. The engine, once thundering with 8 cylinders of American power, has gone silent, forgotten, left behind. This isn't just an abandoned old car. This is a 1959 Cadillac DeVille, a legend waiting to rise again. And today, its story is far from over.
There she is, the 59 DeVille. Wow, Dad, she's in rough shape. Nothing we can't fix. She's a classic. All right, let's take a look. All right, lift it steady now. Whoa, look at all that rust. 390 V8, been sitting a while. Cobwebs everywhere. Where do we start? What do you think? Could be the carburetor. Maybe. Let's check the fuel line. Good idea. Hand me that wrench. Here you go. All right, let's get her down. Ready, push. Easy does it. She's clear, looks solid. Let's check the frame. All right, she's ready. Lift her slow. Got it. Chains are taut. Easy now. Guide her out. Swinging a bit. Steady. Perfect. Hold it there. All right, lowering it in, nice and steady. Got it. Watching the mounts. Okay, down slow, left side first. Alignment looks good, coming down. Perfect, seat it in. Solid, it's in. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance. Got it. Looks lined up. Perfect, set it down. Alignment is good, starting the bolts. Tighten them down. Carefully aligning the trim now. Snapping the clips in place. Looks perfect, gleaming against the fresh paint. Let's get this seat perfectly fitted. Smoothing out every last crease. Dashboard's gleaming, looks factory fresh. All right, seat in the new white wall. There we go, perfect fit. Panel gaps look perfect, Dad. Good, let's check the side chrome. Door alignment is spot on. Rear's good too, a fine restoration. Panel gaps are perfect, Dad. Chrome alignment looks spot on. Looks good, let's check the sides. Side trim is flush, no waviness, good eye. Front grille alignment, perfect, she's ready. Perfect night for a drive, son.
Yeah, Dad, this car is amazing. Look at that sunset.
Just like the old days.